I love oatmeal because it is so versatile. You can add it to your morning smoothie, have it as a snack, or even make a dessert out of it. It is also super filling, which makes it perfect for breakfast on the go. And did you know that oatmeal is good for your skin? Today, we are going to talk about a breakfast that has been there for ages. Yes, I am talking about oatmeal. But I'm sure that there are so many things you didn't know about this wonderful blend of nutrition. Oatmeal is one of the most nutrient-dense foods out there. It's packed with fiber, protein, and heart-healthy fats, which are delicious too. It is a staple in many people's diets because of its gentle sweetness and smooth texture. But do you know that there is much more than that meets the eye? Let's begin. Number 1, incredibly nutritious. Oatmeal is one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. It's loaded with fiber, which is great for digestive health and to keep your blood sugar stable. Oatmeal also contains vitamin B6, choline, and magnesium, which all play a role in brain function. It isn't just a healthy breakfast option, it also includes a number of vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and potassium. I've personally noticed that I have more energy when I eat oatmeal for breakfast, and how it can make me feel full for long. Oatmeal is also high in calcium and contains a good amount of protein, making it an excellent meal option for vegetarians or those trying to build muscle mass. But do you know what makes oatmeal even better than other foods? It's easy to prepare. You can eat it on its own or add some fruit or creamy milk to make it taste even better. You could even try adding some spices or herbs to make it more interesting. Number 2, enhance blood sugar control. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by significantly increased blood sugar levels. Are there any viewers who are dealing with type 2 diabetes? Because I am here with the most convenient solution to deal with it. Oatmeal. Eating oatmeal regularly may help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. Plus, it is a great way to help manage your blood sugar. It contains fiber, which helps slow down glucose release into your bloodstream. The more time it takes for glucose to enter your bloodstream, the less likely you will become hungry and overeat. And it is also a good source of magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy heart. Oatmeal is also high in vitamin E and B, like folate, thiamine, and riboflavin. These nutrients play a role in helping your body process glucose more efficiently, so that you can use it for energy production instead of being stored as fat cells on your thighs. Number 3, great for the skin. So glowing fresh skin is what everyone wants. I'm sure you are one of those people who aspire to have hydrated skin. It is no coincidence that oatmeal is included in every skincare product, since it plays a vital role in nourishing your skin. Oatmeal is one of my favorite foods, and I can't get enough of it. It's versatile. You can eat it plain or with some fruit and cream. It has a high amount of beta-glucan, an enzyme that helps your body fight off bacteria and helps your skin stay clear. Plus, oatmeal is a great addition to your diet if you have acne or trying to clear up your skin. It can help to prevent constipation, which can lead to all kinds of problems, including acne breakouts. So if you're worried about the acne monster, then you need to include oatmeal in your diet. Number 4, helps in weight loss. Oatmeal and weight loss? Do I sound like a no-brainer? No, it's true. Oatmeal helps you in losing weight. Oatmeal is especially helpful for people trying to lose weight because it can help you feel fuller for longer periods without adding extra calories. That means less snacking, which enables you to stay on track with your diet. Oh, and yes, it is a great way to start your day. It's packed with fiber and can help you feel full for hours, helping you skip the mid-morning snack. Oh, and the best part is that it also is a great source of magnesium, which can help your muscles relax after exercise and keep you energized throughout the day. It is not just for breakfast though. Oatmeal is delicious and served alongside fruits like blueberries or bananas, and it makes a great base for desserts like blueberry muffins or apple crisps. And if you're looking to add more protein to your diet, go for it. Number 5, good for heart health. Oatmeal is good for your heart, and I've experienced firsthand the health benefits of oatmeal. It's loaded with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and excess fat from your body. The soluble fiber in oatmeal can also help lower blood pressure by forming a plug in your arteries, which reduces blood flow and prevents clots from forming. I've suffered from high cholesterol my whole life, and it's been a struggle to keep it at bay. When I was diagnosed with high cholesterol and had no idea how to manage it, I tried all sorts of things, but nothing seemed to work until my doctor recommended oatmeal. It's a simple change that has made all the difference in my life. Since starting this routine, my cholesterol levels are now in the healthy range. It's a great snack if you're looking to improve your heart health. Number 6. Low in fat and calories. Oatmeal is a low-fat and full of protein food. It's also among the least expensive foods on the grocery store shelves. It's important to eat a healthy diet that includes a variety of different foods, including fruits and vegetables. Oatmeal is an excellent combination of that. Oatmeal is also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, important for maintaining proper fluid balance, zinc, an important antioxidant, iron, which helps carry oxygen to cells throughout the body, magnesium, a mineral that helps maintain bone health, folate, which helps prevent heart disease by lowering LDL cholesterol levels, calcium, which helps build strong bones, and selenium, which supports metabolism. Also, it is low in fat and calories, so it's important for anyone trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight by eating more nutritious foods without adding extra calories from fat or sugar. Number 7. Packed with antioxidants. Do you want to feel energized and refreshed all day long? Congratulations! You found an easy way. Eat oatmeal. Oatmeal also has a high concentration of antioxidants called flavonoids, which help protect your body against disease. Antioxidants are important because they help keep your cells healthy by defending against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause cell death and cancerous mutations, so eating foods rich in antioxidants like oatmeal is one way to keep you healthy. When you are eating oatmeal for breakfast, be sure to include some protein, like eggs or yogurt, to help boost your metabolism and keep you feeling energized all morning long. I've noticed that my energy levels are much higher in the morning than they used to be. It can be hard to wake up on time when you don't have the extra boost of energy from a good breakfast. So I like to prepare some oatmeal before bed, then just heat it up in the morning. Number 8. Good source of vitamin B6. Oatmeal has been touted as a good source of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient that plays a role in the production of red blood cells, DNA, and RNA. It's also used to help the body metabolize carbohydrates and fats. And yes, it is essential for the body to produce red blood cells. Vitamin B6 also supports the nervous system. Vitamin B6 is known as pyridoxine. It helps keep your skin, hair, and nails healthy by helping with the formation of red blood cells. It also helps your body produce energy from food and helps with the immune system. Also, it helps with brain health and memory. Oatmeal is a good source of vitamin B6 because it contains significant amounts of this vitamin per serving, about 21% of your daily value. It's a great way to get your daily dose of this important nutrient, so do not forget to add it in your diet. Oats are naturally gluten-free, so if you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, I suggest choosing oat products that are certified gluten-free. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this useful, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Thank you.